is good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sam. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are a returning subscriber, why is it so hard for me to say returning? You are a returning subscriber. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for supporting me, even though I've been MIA, okay? I have really been missing making YouTube videos because YouTube is my shit. Like, I enjoy doing it. Good for my mentals. It keeps me feeling good because this is like a creative outlet of mine where I get to share with you guys whatever I'm interested in sharing. So from the last video that I filmed, my hair was much shorter than this. So come through hair growth, come through length, not just length but health. Okay, I am going to be dropping some gems for you guys in a couple of future videos, but not today. I don't want this to be a really long video. This is a hair video, so I want to get straight into the hair stuff. But I haven't been on YouTube for such a long time, and I feel like there's so much I need to speak to you guys about. Straight after I film this video, I'm going to be filming a video on this personal growth journey of mine. So I've been on a personal growth journey and it's been an amazing experience. I'm still on this journey, so it's going to be a really inspirational, positive video. And I feel like if you are in that point in your life where you just feel like you need a change, like you're just trying to do something different but you don't know where to start because there's so many things going on and you just don't know where to start. So if that sort of sounds like where you are at in your life and you're just looking for a little bit of perspective from a completely different person that you don't even know, that could possibly change your life, definitely stay tuned for that video. I'm still going to decide whether I'm going to upload this video first or my inspirational video. So my hair has gotten so much longer, guys, and so healthy, and I've just been doing a couple of things different, not major stuff. But yeah, today is all about how I get these really bomb wand curls. I've been loving these curls because, you know, as a natural, like with me, especially with my hair, I have super thick hair, and if I do a twist out or a braid out, I'm gonna need like minimum a day and a half for my hair to dry, to 2 days, and that's just the reality of things. So the reason why I like this style is if you need to go or do something on short notice, all you need to do is blow dry your hair and then you've got an instant style once you do these curls. I don't really have a video on my channel on how I do my wand curls. I was like, you know what, I need to film this video and it will be a perfect opportunity to just get out of my head and start posting again. What we will need for this is a wand color. This is a wand color that I got from Clicks. If you are interested in this wand color, you can have a look online and see if they have it. Or go to the store and check it out. It's a really pretty wand color. It goes from thick to thin, the barrel, and it's got this point that you can hold on so that you don't burn your fingers. It's a Sorbet Drybar and I love it. It just looks really nice and sleek. And here we've got the temperature from 140 all the way to 200. I don't play with 200. My hair has not touched 200 because we don't play those games. So before we get into this video, definitely make sure that you check out the video that I filmed on how to safely blow dry your hair. In that video, I talk about steps on how you can prepare your hair before you are going to be applying heat to it. The prepping or the before the style is just as important as the style. So if you are going to be applying heat to your hair, make sure that you check that video out. I'm gonna link it up somewhere on top here. So this wand color came with like a normal glove. It's a cotton glove. I still somehow feel that it burns me through the glove. And I have a polo neck on for a reason. This was strategic. I burnt myself on my neck. So what I'm going to do is just put some of my favorite heat protectant on. It's the Creme of Nature one that I always use. Mine is almost done. Those are my dogs in the background, so if you're hearing strange sounds, it's them. Okay, so I'm going to be doing medium to small sections so that I can get as much definition as possible. I've been MIA on my socials. It's crazy. I've really just been focusing on my real life. Just making sure that my real life is in order. And I am officially a small business owner, guys. Like, big ups to me. I am officially a small business owner. I own my own business, which I will be speaking about on a later stage. Just taking a bit of this and rubbing it all over my hair. Yo, it's been a while, guys. How have you guys been? What have you guys been up to? I've just been going through a lot of positive experiences as well as crappy ones, but that is what the next video is going to be about. So definitely please guys watch that video that I'm about to post after this one. So I'm going to have the one color facing down like this, and then I just twist and twist and twist, and then I just hold it there. You can count about 10 seconds, or if you want to keep it on less, and then once you're done, just hold it. And there we have a cute little curl. Guys, I already burnt myself. It's probably gonna start getting red soon. The sun is going down quick and I need to move. Our whole head done. I'm just gonna take some of this and apply it to the rest of my hair just for some shine. Walk it in. And the best part is when you get to shake it all out, because I don't like it looking perfect. So I just give it a really good shake. Same. I just wanted to come over here and just speak to you guys real quick. I am a small business owner and I've just been putting my heart and soul into it, and it's been an amazing experience, guys. I've crossed paths with such amazing and beautiful female entrepreneurs, and it's amazing how we support one another and just inspire one another without even knowing that we are inspiring one another. So yeah, I'm going to be talking about all of that, and also on my personal growth journey. That's what I'll be talking about in the next video, so definitely please stay tuned for that. Thank you so much to everybody that has been supporting me this far. Sounds like I'm getting done with the video already. Then take the scarf off. These are the finished results, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me film this video as much as I enjoyed filming this video. There's a lot more different types of content that I want to start putting out starting from today, and that is the type of things I want to start talking about in my next video, like how to just start doing the things you've been talking about doing for the longest time and you never getting to it, please keep a lookout and watch that video. Make sure that your post notifications are on so that you will get an alert as soon as I post that video. That video is going to be life changing. I'll really be able to put things into perspective and see life through a different lens. I really love this look. Like, look at how pretty. I absolutely love this look. It's beautiful, it's elegant. You can tie it up, you can put it behind your ear, you can do a middle part, you can do so many things with it, and it's versatile. Like, you can just be that girl. Definitely like this video if you liked this video, and if you found this video helpful in some way. Smash that like button and subscribe if you're unsubscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much.